Welcome back aspirants on MacTech 40, and today we will solve one question based on similarity ratios in turbine. But before we start, let me clear you some things. In today's lecture, wherever I use term model that means a small scale version of the actual turbine, okay? And wherever the prototype word I will use, that means the actual sized object, okay, or actual sized turbine, okay? So before starting, first of all, let us see what are the similarity ratios of the turbine, okay. And here there are some terminologies. So here in the subscript, wherever M is written, that means it represent M is the model, for model, and P represents for prototype. Now here H is what? H is the head of the turbine, N is equal to RPM of the turbine, and D is the diameter, okay. Q is the discharge, and P is the power output of the turbine. And the here the thing I've written is specific speed of the turbine, okay. So the specific speed of the turbine is given by equation N under root P divided by H raised to 5 by 4. But remember one thing, that here N you have to take, that means rotational speed you have to take in the RPM, power must be in kilowatt, okay, not in simple watt. Power you have to take in kilowatt, and head in meter, okay. So this is the similarity ratio H divided by n square upon d square for model is equal to H divided by n square by d square for prototype, Q by nd cube, and power divided by rpm cube into diameter raised to 5. So these are the three similarities ratios, okay. So let us see how we can use in the numerical. So it is written as a 1/5 scale model. A 1/5 scale model, that means model is 1/5 time of the actual turbine, okay. So here you can write, for example, the main dimension of the turbine is its diameter, okay. So the diameter of the model turbine divided by diameter of the prototype turbine is in the ratio of 1 by 5, and it is designed to operate on a head of, sorry, here it is off, on the head of 25 meter. That means the model is working under the head of 25 meters. So head of model, it is 25 meter, and the prototype, that means the actual scale turbine, it produces 18.50 megawatt of power. That means power produced by the prototype or actual scale turbine, it is 18.5 megawatt under the head of 49 meter. That means head produced under the working head, it is 49 meter actual head, okay. And operating speed 250 rpm. So the actual scale prototype is running at 250 rpm. Now what we have to find? We have to find the speed, discharge, and the power for the model, okay, not for the turbine, for the model. That means a reduced scale. Assume the efficiency of the model and prototype is the same, and it is 88%. That means overall efficiency for both the model and prototype is same, 88%. And also find the specific speed of the turbine, okay. So we have to find four things: speed, discharge, power, okay, and specific speed. These four things we have to find. So first of all, how we can find the speed? Okay, first of all we will try to find out the speed. So where from which equation we can find the speed? Here look at the first similarity ratio, that is head of model, it is given in our question 25 meter, and working head of the prototype, that means actual size, is given 49 meter. rpm of this prototype is given, and diameter ratio is given, okay. Now one unknown, so here we can easily find out. So first of all, use the hm relation, hm by nm square into d square for model is equal to head prototype divided by, okay. So here just take nm on one side and all other things here, okay. So head of the model is 25 meter. The model's rpm we have to find. Diameter is not directly given, but in terms of ratio it is given. So just take dm on this side. So here the head of the actual machine is 49 meter divided by actual rpm is 250 rpm whole square, and dm diameter of model divided by diameter of prototype whole square, okay. Here so 25 divided by rpm of model whole square is equal to 49 divided by 250 whole square, and here diameter of model upon diameter of prototype is ratio 1 by 5, okay, whole square. Just take a square root on the both the side. So we have 5 by model rpm is equal to 7 by 250 divided by 1 by 5. So when you solve this, you will find as a model rpm 893 rpm. So this is the answer of our first question. Now second, so we have among the four, we have find out one thing, speed. Now next thing, discharge. So for discharge, we have to use this second equation. We have the rpm of the both model and the prototype, as well as diameter ratio is given, but we do not have the discharge for either model or prototype. We do not have this discharge. So what to do? So for that, the overall efficiency is here given 88%. So use this equation. How we can use? So first of all, we know the equation of power output from the turbine is overall efficiency into rho g qh, okay, and power for actual size, that means prototype is given. So prototype is producing 18.5 megawatt of power, that means 18.5 into 10 raised to 6. Overall efficiency is 0.88, density is 1000, g 9.81, discharge we have to find, and head is 49 meter. So when you solve this, you will find as a q, and this is for prototype. So qp I am writing here qp. So it will be come out to be 43.82, 43.82 meter cube per second, okay. When you solve this in your calc, you will find this answer. Now we have to find for model, okay, not for prototype. So we know the equation of similarity ratio, discharge of model upon nd cube, okay. So here this is we have to find rpm of the model, we know 893 rpm, and what is the discharge is 43.82. What is the rpm of the prototype is 250, and diameter ratio is 1 by 5 whole cube, okay. So just take 893 on the other side, multiply by 893. So you have the discharge of model, that means small scale version. So when you solve this in your calculator, you will find as a 1.25 meter cube per second. Okay, so this is the what answer of second question. What is the discharge for model? Okay, so speed and discharge we have find out. Now the power. Okay, so the power, we have the third equation, this P upon ND n cube d raised to 5. Okay, so here using third equation of similarity, power of model upon n cube d raised to 5 divided by power of prototype divided by power of prototype, sorry, RPM of prototype and diameter of prototype raised to power 5. Okay, so what is the power for the model? Here you can say that power of prototype is 18.5 megawatt divided by RPM is 250 whole cube in RPM, and here take this model's RPM on this side. So model's RPM is 893 RPM. Okay, 893 whole cube into this ratio diameters of model upon prototype whole power 5. You will find here the power as a 269.7 kilowatt. Okay, so this is the power output from the model turbine. We have found out basically three things, and one last thing, that is specific speed of the turbine. So for actual turbine specific speed, here we will find specific speed of the turbine ns is equal to n under root p upon h raised to 5 by 4. So what is the n for actual model? So for actual model it is actual, not actual model, actual prototype, it is 250 rpm for the prototype. The power output from the prototype is 18.5 in megawatt, but we have to convert in kilowatt. So 18500 divided by head is what, 49 meter, 49 raised to 5 by 4. So when you solve this in your calculator, you will find as a 262.28. So this is the answer of our all the questions. Hope you guys understood. This is the very simple question. Just this is for your practice purpose. If you have still any doubt, just ask in the comment section. We will try to solve your query in next videos. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed it. Tomorrow we will meet with another video tomorrow. Till then, keep studying, stay focused.